Hey guys, it's your girl Josie. Welcome back to my channel. What's poppin', what's good? If you want to see how I got this makeup look, then defo stay tuned. I just want to give you guys a quick little warning. The lighting in the video is kind of off, so my makeup does look washed out, but this is the final result. So if you want to see how I got this result, then stay tuned. I'm starting off with prepping my skin. I literally just toned and put some collagen serum on, and now I'm going to moisturize my skin. I'm going to be using the Welda Skin Food. I'm using the light one. I'm literally running out, but it's fine anyways because I'm literally like, this is my last day. I was saying that the Skin Food is not good for your skin. I'm not too sure why. It's good for my makeup, that's all I know. I'm going to be using my Elemis Pro Collagen Eye Reviving Mask. I learned that with eye masks you gotta like tap your skin. I'm gonna try to make this video as quick as possible because I feel like I'm not there yet to do a chit chat get ready with me. So I'm gonna just show you how I do the makeup and then we'll go from there, you know, baby steps, because I ain't done a video like this in a long time. And I know people's attention span is gone all little, and since TikToks come out, and yeah. When I used to do my little makeup videos, people had long attention spans. Now, people do not have good attention spans, including myself. I'm gonna use my e.l.f. Power Grip to prime. I love this primer. I feel like whenever I use it, I can see the difference in my makeup. It definitely just grips and does its thing. Then I'm gonna go in with my foundation, which is the NARS Light Reflecting Foundation. I really like this foundation. I used to not like it at first. I don't know why I didn't like it, but I think since I like learned how to, well, I've always known how to properly prep my makeup, but since I don't know what it is actually, to be honest, but I really like it. What I like to do is I like to put it on a flat brush and put that on my face. I was actually supposed to conceal my spots actually. I did it the other day and my makeup turned out very well. And my favourite brush, which is the Zoeva 104 buffer brush. I've been using this brush for so many years and I swear by it. Nowadays, I don't really like a foundation that's full coverage. I just like something that's medium, light to medium. Like, that's what I like to really work with. So now, this is one of my favorite parts. I am going to be concealing my face. And I'm using the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop in the shade Mahogany. I've been using this same concealer for ages. It just does the job and the shade is perfect for me. I did get the Hourglass concealer, but I ran out because I bought the small one. Well, I bought the big one and I lost it in New York, and then someone actually returned it for me, which was literally so amazing. I was like, oh my gosh, people actually are nice. People actually have souls. My new favorite concealer, this is my favorite concealer now guys, the Lancome Tint Idol Ultra Wear All Over Concealer. It's so good, and this is in the shade 435. I will be getting more shades of this concealer. Just look at that. So good to the point where I just want to put it everywhere, and that is why I need to get my skin shade and a darker one as well, so that I can just, all my concealers can be this concealer because it's so good. I let that sit on my face. I'm going to use the Made by Mitchell liquid blush in the shade, I think it's called Blend and Snatch, I don't know, but I saw it on TikTok and I got it and I really like it. A lot of these makeup tips I actually learned from Nessa. Nessa are my favourite MUA to this day, even though I don't see her post anymore. Or maybe my feed is just not coming up on my feed, but yeah. So I'm going to use this brush that I got from Shein. It's basically a buffer brush, so I'm just going to buff out the liquid concealer basically. I like to go back and forth with my foundation brush just to make sure that things are blended. I'm gonna use two concealer brushes. I'm gonna use the Doll Beauty, this is a concealer brush, it's a buffer brush, a small buffer brush. And I'm gonna also use my Real Techniques setting brush, 402 brush actually. This is gonna be for my inner corner and this is gonna be for my outer. So I'm gonna actually spray the brush. I like to blend my makeup exactly like this. Okay, not doing too much, just patting it, patting it, patting it, patting it in, patting it. What I like to do is when I get to the top, I like to drag out my foundation. I want it a little bit brighter. Let me show you guys what it looks like. It looks like this. So you can see the light and you can also see the dark. So yeah, it looks crazy now, but everything is gonna come together. This part is so important, guys. I'm using my MAC Studio Fix in the shade NC45 to basically set my under eye. Okay, set it before I bake. This is what gives me that flawless under eye. You know what it is about that Lancome concealer? That Lancome concealer makes it so easy. I'm going to use my Laura Mercier. Sometimes I mix my Laura Mercier with One Size, which is what I've been doing, and I still have a little bit of One Size left in my thing like that. But I'm gonna use a trigger puff to now set, okay? I really like to set my makeup in now. I don't really like the whole bake too tough. I don't know what it is. Right now, guys, your girl is I'm looking scary. I'm not gonna lie, I'm looking very scary. But just wait, guys. Just wait. I just put a tiny little bit Juvia's Place bronzer, Teletubby powder to now bring all my colour back, because I look crazy right now. But I only look crazy because of this camera and this lighting. I also like to put my bronzer, my powder over my bronzer as well when I've gone a bit too harsh, which I feel like I did today. You see how all that colour is just, it's come now. Wow, I don't think I can see. This lighting is so bad. Blush, can't forget about blush. Okay, I'm gonna do my eyebrows. Kind of, not really. And then, yeah, still looking a little bit crazy still, but don't worry. Now we're gonna dust off the powder. This is my e.l.f. tapered brush, that's what it's called. Put bronzer on my lids. That's all I've been doing these days. I ain't really been doing a mad thing. I ain't even been concealing. Just been putting bronzer on my lid, just like that, because I realised it doesn't even make a difference. I'm gonna go in with my taper brush again. So for lip combo, I'm using the NYX medium brown lip line. No, this is actually an eyeliner. Gonna outline my lips like so. This is my NYX lip gloss in the shade Fortune Cookie. Cinnamon Roll. I love this lip liner look, guys. This is, I could even just leave it like this and just put lip gloss on. Why? I might not even post this because I don't know if I like it. I don't know if I like the lighting. And then I use a Beauty by Solange lip gloss that I got, that she gave to me when I did my one-to-one with her. Put that over. This is me. This is the makeup and the outfit. I feel like my makeup, this camera does not do my makeup any justice, like at all. So I don't know if I'm gonna post this video, but if I do, then yeah, that's me done. If you guys enjoyed that quick little makeup video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.